I am Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnayo Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnayo Quezon the First. When it comes onto my ear, there is person na naman talking on my ear. Does not stop the bobo camouflage. I remember, not the word remember, during year 2017, I go to ANT on Fort Bonifacio, nandidiri ako sa lugar kasi that place is where the Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer is at. And then when it comes onto ENT, they tends to put water on my ear, on my left ear only. There is no water being put on the right ear. And then there is only the ENT about on myself. There is voice on my left ear. The voice is father of Danica Talanya Aguilar. That person is tends to destroy the wedding proposal of Alex Jr. ko to myself and then putting it onto the kid of him, even though that is mine. And then when it comes onto illness, they is putting illness on myself even though the illness is uh, exists onto them. Criminal day is. And then what else and about my ear? When I cry, it tends to have such as wound. That is why I go at Fort Bonifacio, nandidiri ako on that place. And then tends to wash of water my left ear. And then year 2022, the voice is year 2021, the voice is happens on my right ear. During year 2020, is that a sound from ear? I not know if it is a sound of ear, but says yow, something such that. Then year 2021, the voices on my ear is neighborhood at Barangay Pinagsama. And then Block 10 Street. During that moment, year 2021, Romelin Mariano tends to interfere on my mind. And then saying to myself, sali mo ko dyan, sabi niya. Na on that person. Kin lang Alex ko, selosa ako. No hatred to that girl, but I am jealous type of person. Mine is Alex Jr. ko. And then, uh, what else could I say? Myself is being put on sleepy mode, such as, is that something ganon? I not know. It tends to myself sleepy, then will awake. Not know about it. Lover ko, Alex ko. And then, on my ear, what else is the voice? I put it on the notebook, the voice that I hear. Why I say I hear the voice of Precious Christian Dico? Because on my panaginip basis, year 2021, not panaginip basis, it is being says of the right eye, the voice of Precious Christian Dico. Mary Joy, it is being says of the right eye, and then I have panaginip basis. That is why I know their voice. Panaginip basis it is. What about American? Could not sight their face. Even on panaginip, I could not sight. I only know they is whitish. And then African color. And then there is whitish as well. The person, wait, who else on the ear? Year 2021. That is the voice. First encounter voice is sina Catherine Bernardo voice. That is Catherine Bernardo voice. And then Daniel Padilla. And then father of Alex Jr. ko says, "Huwag kang kabahan." Sabi niya, "Huwag kang kabahan." I feel sleepy at the moment. It is 48 minutes and 17 seconds is my camera video. It is 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Year 2021 voice. Who else I hear? Isai, JB's, Yena, Richard as well, Kuya Richard. And then Ate Sandra. They is good person. Good person this. And then Isa. Roxanne as well. I not know. Yeah, Roxanne. Bebe. They is good person. Good person. They is on socialization with me. Neighborhood during grade school. Alex, next. Babae ako. What is next that I hear the voice? Precious Crucendico. Mary Joy Aguila. They is good person as well, but weird it is. They tends to put me on. They tends to put on my nose smell of something, and then weird during that moment in 2021. The person is angas-angasan, feeling high when it comes onto body movement about sex. Why? Ano? Girl gender. And then, Romilin Mariano, year 2021, interferes. There is a moment when it comes onto Black 10 Street, there is a moment that I am doing Toyam Gaze business plan. And then when it comes onto Mary Joy Aguila, there is a moment of I am inside of the bedroom. And then there is noise on my right ear. My mind is on high school classroom. What else? The voices in my ear. Naon din. Si Alex lang lover ko. Daw may ibig sa pangit. Harassment, harassment. High school love life I have, not other something. On high school moment, I have a lover, 13-year-old. Diyos ko, harassment na yan, oh. Please kill the person. What else it is? Uh, that is year 2021. Is the other voice of mother of Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. Once myself, and wants myself uh, to put on a situation of blaming when I think I am inside of when I think I am inside of house only. And then I not know why she talks on my ear year 2021. What else? How do I know that is the voice of the mother of Gemaline? She shouts so that I could hear her voice. I not know why. On the stairs on my mind at the moment, she wants me on a situation of low, and then putting on shame is what I feel. Ganda ako. I could hear the voice of Raquel. Kung ano na naman yun. I am girl gender. Who else it is? I hear the voice. I have no yet socialization on Mary Joy Aguila, but the moment is good. No hatred feeling to Mary Joy Aguila, I not know why. And then, oh, I want to sleep at the moment. Maybe this one Alex do. Na open. what else it is. Voice. How do I know? That is not possible that I know the voice of Mary Joy Aguilar because I not know her. I know her. I not socialize onto her. What does it mean? The right eye says it is Mary Joy Aguilar. There is good person. Cousin of Alex Coy 2021, I hear the voice in chick vibes. It is being says of the right eye. And then when it is on the left eye, socialization of myself to the in chick of cousin of Alex Coy. I cite them person to person. I have a moment at Guadalupe to the cousin of Alex Jr. ko that says 30 during year 2017 at Glorieta. Is that the cousin? I not know. Oh, there is a person that tends to assume. The person tends to assume that the in-chick girl gender on year 2017 is the cousin of Alex Jr. ko. That says 30. I not know what is 30 means of the in-chick girl gender cousin of Alex ko. And then, she shout it. Not the shout. She say it loud. 30. Number 30. During year 2017 at Glorieta. And then the right eye of myself tends to assume that there is the cousin of Alex ko. I remember at this moment. What else? Why? The right eye is on a situation of angry. This right eye. Nanghaharas yung bobo camouflage. Criminal. Why do you not think of the word harassment? The person is doing harassment on myself. Hindi. Hmm. Nag-relax. I am pretty. Maganda ako. Ganda is me. I am pretty girl. Pretty girl. I am pretty girl. It's easy to wear hair too. What else could they say? During Glorieta moment, oh, I should say that. When Glorieta moment, my first time is year 2016. That is my first count. And then vibes. The vibes is already uh, the vibes in there says it should be happening already. Vibes of myself and Alex ko, not know why, should be happening already. At the moment ay nauntutok 26 minutes and 58 seconds.